Smoking out my nose, blowing O's like a motherfucker. Spit a couple flows for the hoes, that's what they taught us. Yeah, well let me tell you what my papa say. Save $1 a day and make sure you people straight, people straight. So I'ma prove what I gotta prove. Cruise down the avenue, nigga with an attitude. Smooth, I ain't mad at you. I got it mapped out. I guess they ain't expect I take the back route. The rap route, yeah, that's everybody. But motherfucker, I ain't everybody. I'm just budded low, and yeah, I want it all. I'm trying to fuck the world and show my boys a draw. Lately, I've been getting a lot of missed calls. And I apologize, I'm on my shit, y'all. I just ain't getting used to being pissed poor. Shit, I'm hungry as bruh, man. Fifth flow, mad that I'm late, just be happy that I'm here. Yeah, living life like I don't have a care. Yeah, ripping shit, I hope they shed a tear. Okay, you see my flow banana, so I kill, they be my peers. Money, power, what you think I need next? I need my motherfucking respect. Give me my motherfucking respect. That's what really matters in the end. Yo, what's your rap boat or push a fucking rap boat? I'm listening as I'm whipping in my rap boat. I feel the jabs though, them biddies hopping in. Cause if you wanna win, then you gotta spin. Yeah. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. My dog said like they said it. Big fast but moving steady. Actually New Year, she say ooh yeah. And fall just like come play. Say I move like I know it all. So what the fuck can you tell me? Rather motherfucker what you tell me? Let me do what I do. Heard that I'm a big trash. Now they wanna be cool. Well, believe what you heard. Dropped out for this turn. I'm still reading and drinking tequila. My damn words, jeez. And he's sick and I'll be deceased. A lot of sleep, so never try them off with defeat. Mad that I'm late, just be happy that I'm here. Yeah, living life like I don't have a care.